day 6 of Kitchen Remodel. All the workers are so busy at 8:30 sharp, and doors are installing, the handle are installing, the wood panel is installing to the island, and we are still pretty worried in terms of the uneven surface, but we are doing the best we can. This is later at the date, and water sink and the area are installing. It's looking pretty good. I really like the effect with the black handle, match with all the black appliances. I'm also very interested to see how many stuff I can put to the pantry. I'm also very interested to see when the refrigerator get put into this box, how much stick out that will be. But we left it to open the refrigerator door. This is the end of day 6. As you can see, most of the door is installed, and the handle, the water sink, and the hose, and the switches, and the outlet. Hook is here. Oven will open and could come here tomorrow. People are working very hard. And I have my glass cabinet, my marble countertop, one cabinet here, and above the refrigerator. The island is all covered with wood panel, and the lights in the family room. We decide just use the old pantry and pull the pantry out, so it will connect nicely in the space, and you will have the same look as other cabinets. Thanks to up.The